I am a major fan of the Firebirds. Oh my God, they make my heart race, and this is absolutely a gorgeous car. It is very rare. It came from the factory as a Sprint OHC car. For you that don't know, let me just give you a quick history of that. It is a high output inline six, and they only made a handful of them. This is one of only 1,174 ever built. Extremely rare, a great collector's car. Now, it is running 6.7 liter, crate 350, high output, 330 horsepower. And oh, does she just sing to you. It is a beautiful engine. Let's get back to that Sprint though. The engine has been maintained. It's been oiled several times a year. It's been turned over. The owner knew exactly what he had. It goes with the car, and it's been maintained. Let's get back to this beautiful build. She is a 4-speed manual with a Hurst shifter. It is just beautiful shifting car. When you drive, it just slides into gear for you. I really enjoy driving this. 10-bolt rear end with 355 gears. That makes it perfect for any driving condition. You want to do a parade, it can handle it. You want to go on a road trip, take it on the highway, perfect for that. You also have power assist brakes, which means you have front disc and rear drums. The car has had many upgrades. Here's one for you. How about USA Gauge Package? It is the vintage package, means that it has the look of the classic gauges, but it's all modern tech. The original gauges go with the car as well. It has a brand new canvas top with the glass window. This car has won so many awards. It is ridiculous. It is at that level. This beautiful blue doesn't have a rock chip or scratch in it. It is gorgeous. So we're gonna go and look at this car. I don't wanna go into the full build list because I don't wanna bore you and sit here for 10 minutes or more. So go to my website. I'll have a full breakdown of the car for you. You can look at all the numbers. Everything is there for you. So let's get to the business side. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We are located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Let's take a look at this beautiful Firebird. I told you this was a beautiful build. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the color. All your chrome is done. Everything about the car is top shelf. This is an award-winning Firebird. Let's just kind of do a quick recap really quick. This is the Sprint 08C car, extremely rare. It's only one of 1,174 ever built. It is now running a Crate 350, 330 horsepower, 2.5-inch exhaust with the Flo Masters, has power assist brakes, which means you get the front disc and the rear drums. Beautiful. It is a power steering car. It is practically new. It even has the new vintage US gauge package. Remember, all the original parts go with the car. Has a new canvas top with the glass window. Absolutely beautiful. I know you're going to have tons of questions, so feel free to reach out to me. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We are located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at our next video.